So I was diagnosed with breast cancer in March 2017, and I came here to Methodist Hospital, to the cancer center, and the standard procedure was recommended, and at that time I refused to do conventional therapy.
This was a very emotional journey for her, and I think we realized early on when we first met her that getting her involved with our patient support team was very important. And obviously those are our experts in our clinic that have a knowledge of all of the complementary and integrative type therapies that we have to offer.
Integrative therapies are really important to our patients because they complement the care we provide.
Music therapy was extremely helpful to me to get through chemotherapy and radiation. Everything that you're going through when you're dealing with cancer, there's a lot of emotions and a lot of feelings. During music therapy, I was able to let those feelings out in a safe way, and immediately your stress goes down.
Going through cancer has been a really rough experience for her, and she has really embraced music therapy, integrative therapies as part of her healing journey. Healing is not just physical. There's so much more to it. When you are going through these healthcare challenges, it's not just physically getting through the pain. It's emotional, it's social, it's spiritual. It's deep level work and healing that they need to do.
Our patients struggle a lot with anxiety and depression, and that really impacts their quality of life. So anything that we can do to improve those things will ultimately have some downstream effects. And I think things like music therapy, while it's probably the most data behind it, is that it can help with the lessening anxiety and putting people more at ease as they're going through treatments. And overall, they just may feel better and be better equipped to get through the struggles that may come of going through intensive treatment.
We're really a practice that's based on that evidence, on that research base that we have. So there is research about how music affects anxiety, depression, heart rate, respirations. And I see that all the time. When I am playing a song for a person, their breath almost always changes. It almost always begins to slow down or match the tempo of the music if I'm using that slower music.
In some ways, she actually seemed to me like somewhat of a different person. She was very calm, she was very positive, and she just seemed to have this inner strength that I just didn't see when we first met and were going through her diagnosis the very first time. And I think that some of the things that she was able to tap into with our complementary services and our integrative program really probably helped her with that. Well, I would love to see more integrative opportunities like this expanded into Methodist Hospital because patients, not just our patients with cancer, but other patients certainly are suffering from very similar situations. And I think there are just patients that will benefit from this, perhaps even more so than other more traditional things.
So music therapy is really an important cornerstone of the services that we offer for integrative therapy, but we also offer a really rich spiritual care program, and we have a vision of expanding into other services as well that are, again, using evidence-based practices to help bring the services to our patients.
Because music therapy and integrative therapies are not covered by insurance, here at Methodist Hospital, our foundation has been really instrumental in helping provide the care through the programs that we support. Without our foundation, it's also hard to expand the care to cover the needs of all our patients. So through its philanthropic efforts, our foundation is core and key to continuing to sustain our integrative therapies program.
Our vision is to expand the program and to be able to service every patient who needs it in our hospital.
I feel very lucky that I ended up here in a place where they are beginning to be so open-minded with other therapies. I was very, very thankful that I was able to have access to all these other therapies.